Why am I suddenly unable to download and access HBO Max videos offline? I've heard a lot of people complaining about this problem, so I gathered the 5 most common HBO Max download issues and provided simple and effective solutions accordingly. Before we get started, make sure you're an ad-free plan subscriber to HBO Max, as it only offers the download service to those people. So first, you should realize that the old version of the HBO app will always have some bugs, which could cause the downloads to fail. It's pretty easy to fix this problem. Just go to the App Store on your device to check whether there's an update button, and if there is, click on it. And if you have used a VPN to bypass the regional restriction to stream HBO videos, you should pay attention. Sometimes the unstable VPN would lead to download errors. To fix it, you can switch to another better VPN or use more stable tools to access HBO videos and start your download process. Besides, HBO downloads video at the highest quality by default. The video files take up a lot of device storage, so your device can't provide enough room for subsequent downloads. In this case, changing the download quality to the fastest download will quickly fix this minor issue. Apart from that, if you find that the download process won't even start, it's most likely HBO is set to download videos using Wi-Fi only by default, and you just need to turn it off to start the download process. And if your well-downloaded videos still can't play, it could also be the network problem. Turn on flight mode and try again. Everything will be solved. You might have known that you are only available to keep the video downloads for 48 hours after starting playing it, or 30 days before you begin to watch. So you have to renew the expired HBO videos within the HBO Max app to continue watching. Honestly, the frequent download issues are such a bummer. That's why I turned to using MovPilot HBO Max Video Downloader to save the video permanently. It helps you to get rid of any restrictions from HBO and complete a smooth and successful download. It's super quick to complete the download, so let's see how it works. Launch MovPilot HBO Max Video Downloader on your computer. Log into your HBO Max account. Enter keywords or directly paste the exact URL to search for the HBO videos you desire to download. On this setting panel, you can customize the output setting as MP4 in high quality, both keeping the original subtitles and audio. Hit the download and MovPilot will bypass the regional restrictions on HBO Max and batch download at 5 times faster speeds. After that, the videos can be played at any time on any device without a validity period. Now, don't hesitate to try it for free. And if you have any other questions, just keep going to the article below for more detailed answers.